Dear students, today we will continue with keyboard. Keyboard is one of the main parts of computer. It helps in entering data in computer. ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಮೇಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೇಟಾ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. It is made up of many keys or buttons. These keys are divided on the basis of their types of works. ಕೀಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಈ ಕೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತವೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ. We have studied about some basic keys in the previous class, such as alphabet keys, number keys, backspace key, delete key, enter key, etc. Now we shall study about some more keys of keyboard, which are also important to work on the computer. These keys are as follows. First one, numlock key. You can see on the screen, numlock key, which is on the right side. Then cursor control keys, up arrow key, down arrow key, left, right arrow key. These are called cursor control keys. Shift key. Shift key is to take the another combination of keys which is on the keyboard. Maybe for example, you can see on one, along with one, there is one more at the top. Along with 9, there is bracket. Along with plus, there is equal to. Tab key is to take the 5 space. To move 5 space forward, we will use tab key. Tab key ಅನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ 5 space ಒಂದೇ ಸಲ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬಾರ್ ಇಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ ಕೀಯಿಂದ 5 ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೀ. ಎಸ್ಕೇಪ್ ಕೀ ಇಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Maybe for example, if you are playing one game, to cancel that game, you can press escape key, which is at the left top corner. Function keys. In keyboard, at the top line, we can see F1 to F12 function keys. Function keys for different purpose. Now we will see fifth chapter. Fifth chapter is on mouse. Earlier, mouse was with only 2 keys, but now we have mouse with 3 keys. That is left button, right button, and scroll key. Now, uses of mouse. Mouse is used for different functions. Mouse is to select one program by clicking. Mouse is to draw picture by making the movement. Mouse is to play games. Mouse is to select letters, objects, pictures, etc. Actions of mouse. We will say mouse actions. Single click. Single click is to select. That is called left click. If you press left button once, that is called single click. Double click. Double click is done by quickly pressing left mouse button twice. It helps to open programs. Single click is to select and double click is to open programs, folders, files, etc. Right click. Right click is to take shortcut menu. If you press right click button, it shows one shortcut menu that is called as pop-up menu. Right click is to take shortcut commands. Drag and drop. By using mouse, holding the left button, you can drag and drop the items from one place to another place. We can do the movement of items by using drag and drop. Scroll. The scroll button. When the window is with text, by using scroll button, we can move the text up and down by keeping the window in one position. That is called as scrolling. And this scrolling we can make by using scroll wheel, which is available in the center of mouse. Next, we will continue with paint. Paint is for drawing. And children will like paint. It is made to draw images or to draw shapes and to fill the color. Maybe you can draw face, you can draw triangle, you can draw rectangle by using paint. How we can start paint? To start paint, click on Start button, then All Programs, in that Accessories, and then Paint. Start button, All Programs or Programs, then Accessories, Paint. Or even in the search button, we can type Paint and we can press Enter. It shows the paint window, and in the paint window, it shows different components. And the first component is drawing area. The white screen is called drawing area. And above that, it shows color and then tools box. That is called ribbon. Using different tools and shapes of paint. Pencil tool is to draw line. Eraser tool. Eraser tool is same like eraser and it erases the drawing present in the drawing area. We can erase part of drawing area by using eraser. Brush tool. Brush tool is same like brush what we will use to color, and by using brush we can brush the drawing area. Text tool. To type some text on image we can use text tool. ಇಮೇಜ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿರ್ತದೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕಲರ್ ಟೂಲ್. We can fill color by using fill with color tool. Maybe for example, if you draw one circle, in that you want to fill the color, maybe red color, then we can take fill color. In your books, there are different images. Maybe for example, cat, flower, etc. Those things you can draw by using paint. Line tool. Line tool is to draw straight line. Click on the line tool and then drag towards down or left or right to draw the straight line. Rectangle tool is to draw rectangle or square. You can draw rectangle or square by using rectangle tool. You can observe same thing on the screen. Curve tool. This tool is to draw curved lines. When you take curve tool, it will show the straight line in the beginning, and if you move up, it will take one curve. Again, if you take down, it will show another curve. By that, curve shape will come. Oval tool. By that, we can draw circle or maybe oval symbol, that is egg symbol, by using oval tool. Saving a file. How we can save file? In the Paint, select File, Save As. Then we can type file name and then click on the Save button to save the file. Next thing is opening a file. How we can open a file? We can open a file by taking File Open option. When you select Open, it will show the Open dialog box. And in Open dialog box, if you click on the Documents on the left side, then it shows the paints or images available in Documents. Then select the image by clicking and then click on Open button to open the image. Then exiting Paint. How we can quit Paint? In the File menu, there is Exit option. File, Exit. And when you click Exit, Paint is closed. Hey students, in each and every chapter, there is some summary and then exercises. Just go through the exercise and Miss will give the solutions for the exercise. Thank you. God bless you.